In this video, we'll talk about website creation in 6 easy steps. These 6 steps is from my personal experience and from experience of a non-website guy. So, let's start off by securing that domain. Domain is the internet address of your website. It usually costs around 500 to 1,000 depending on the popularity. Next is securing a hosting plan. Hosting is a storage for content that you will put on your website. Based on, from my personal experience, it costs around 2,000 to 10,000 depending on the size and the bandwidth of the hosting plan. Next is a software, a website software that will navigate and manage contents of the website. As an e-commerce entrepreneur and a business startup, web scripts or software are very expensive. However, there are a lot of open source softwares available for us. It has free codes which we can use without any cost whatsoever. So, there are different types of free softwares. There are e-commerce softwares. We can enumerate several. There are also blogs or what we call content management software. There are also open source scripts for social networking. There are also learning management softwares available. We can also use enterprise planning management softwares, project management, or even music, video software, similar to what YouTube or other social networking use. After we have installed that software, next thing to do is lay out or design our website. Designing a website is often the overlooked aspect in building a website. It involves a lot of psychology and spatial talent. But there are themes that we can use, pre-built themes that we can load in the open source softwares available. We can mix up colors, the shapes, and the menus that will suit to our businesses. After finishing your layout and design, you should proceed to building your content. Content starts off with your logo or your brand. Think creating content as an advertising executive or an expert. Use compelling photos to visitors so that they'll be hooked to your website. Use language that suits to your readers, and also use a seamless integration of links within your website. Your content is your actual business, and because you don't have a physical business or store, your pictures, your description is what you sell. After creating that content, you now proceed to launch. Because we now follow a lean startup methodology and we have a business model to validate, start up quick so that you can know what really the customers want. If you know what the customers want, you can go back to changing your layout, your design, and loading of contents that your readers want. If that is the case, you can now build better businesses as you go along. As e-commerce entrepreneurs, website is very important to us. Website is the core competence of every e-commerce business. And because of that, we should constantly improve to improve our business and to improve profits.